I deserve that. I deserve that. I deserve that. Oh no, I got my first fail. Future me here. While I was editing this video, I actually gave myself a bit of a copywriting awakening. And I kind of thought I passed, but after looking at this, I clearly didn't. And I want to leave it in here though, because I want to fix it for you as well. You're going to be seeing that my son's being way too kind, but I just think he's an above average 10-year-old. He already understands what I'm talking about because he takes an interest in what I do anyway. But where I've slipped into jargon, I'm going to actually correct it on screen for you so that you can apply the same principles to your message so that you can see what you can simplify to amplify your message as well.
Hi, I'm Azan. I'm 10. I'm going to ask my dad what he actually does for work. I'll be testing him to see if he passes the 10-year-old test. He has 60 seconds to answer. If I understand, he gets a green thumbs up, like that. If it's confusing, yellow. And if it's just grown-up nonsense, red. Let's begin.
I'm already nervous. I'm doing this because if my 10-year-old son here doesn't understand what I do in 60 seconds, then neither will my market. Simple beats smart sounding. And in business, clarity creates demand.
Yippee.
And what I do is built on that, so this is a little bit of a challenge. Because if we can say it simply, we can sell it simply. So I call it think like a genius, talk like a 10-year-old. You have to do the deep thinking behind the scenes.
Yeah.
So a bad way of positioning myself would say something like, we architect an omni-channel authority engine that leverages asymmetric distribution arbitrage.
What does arbitrage mean?
Exactly my point. But a good way of saying this is, we help you make videos and posts that bring your best clients to you while you work. Is that easier?
Yes.
Exactly my point. This is proven in the real world. The most successful presidential candidates in the US, for example, were successful because they used simple language. And that's why we need to implement that in our business as well. So we don't alienate people. We help them understand as easily as possible what we do so we can bring them in easily as well.
The rules are...
Okay, so the rules are, you're going to be asking me what I do. I'm going to be getting 60 seconds to explain. I'm not going to take that long. And if he understands, I get a green. If he's confused, it's yellow. And if I pass the 10-year-old test, then I get a nice, big, fat, juicy green thumbs up.
I'm just getting ready.
Perfect.
For the first question, who do you work with and what do you help them do? Go.
I work with purpose-led founders and I help them attract their dream clients by showing up online in video content, mostly video content.
Yeah.
Just gonna keep it as that. Is that simple enough?
Yeah. So, 44 seconds left. Yeah.
Yay.
Right.
Got my first thumbs up. Right, next question. All right, that wasn't that bad actually, but if I was to make it easier, I would say something like, I work with business owners to make simple posts and videos so the right customers come to them.
What are your people worried about? Go.
My people are worried about their dream clients, people that they know that can benefit from what they have to offer, walking right past them and ignoring them.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That was
Good.
That was a good one. So 46 seconds left and you get it right.
I could have made this so stupid simple. I could have said something like, they feel unclear. Great people walk past their work because their message is blurry.
Next question. Okay, what if they don't fix it? What bad things will happen? Go.
If they don't fix it, what bad things will happen is that they are not going to feel fulfilled. There's stress, there's burnout, where you're working and you're just working harder instead of working smarter, and you're working against yourself. You're not enjoying yourself. So the bad thing is basically just feeling broken and ignored and misunderstood, out of alignment. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it as that. I should just hold this up and keep this up over here while I'm answering them, because I'm really good at this, aren't I?
because you have a 10-year-old.
I've already got a 10-year-old. Exactly, and other kids as well. So, all right, I shouldn't have been bragging, but I could have said this simpler by saying they feel stressed, work harder, and still feel ignored.
How fast do they start seeing changes after they work with you? Go.
How fast do they start seeing changes? So it depends on the person that I'm working with. Everybody has got their own hurdles and their own path. And as long as you put in the actions, what you can control what actions you put in, can't you?
Yeah.
When it will happen is a little bit out of our hands. I have had clients that have had the transformation within 6 weeks. Sometimes you only need a little bit of work, which is only a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Sometimes I've worked with clients for over 6 months. So it depends on each individual client.
Yeah. Okay, so 21 seconds left. Yes.
All right, not too bad. I just think the place I messed up a little bit is how long I spent explaining it. I could have just said something very simple like it depends, some in weeks, some in months. We control actions, not time.
Like the last question we did about like working smart and not hard. The person who's working hard is just making their own tunnel even though there's already one there.
Right.
And working smart is like just going through the one that's already
there. That's a good analogy. I like that picture that you painted. So do you know what? I get it as well. Right, that's good.
I think it's because you're older.
Yeah.
What is the magnetic found accelerator? Go.
Okay, so I want to ask you first of all, do you know what magnetic is?
Yeah, something like this magnet like attracts metal.
Like absolutely, yeah. And do you know what a founder is?
Like a person who creates a company.
Okay, you already know because I speak about this. I should test this on your 8-year-old brother, shouldn't I? But that's good. And do you know what accelerator is or what accelerating is?
Yeah, like pushing you forward.
Going forward, exactly. So the magnetic founder accelerator is helping founders be magnetic or working with founders to help them be magnetic.
Like help, yeah.
But to make it even easier, because I've still got 27 seconds, it's about attracting your audience. Yeah. Instead of chasing them. So it's like instead of running around with a net trying to catch butterflies, it's growing a garden so that the butterflies come to your garden.
Yeah.
I want to stick this over here. Yeah? Okay, perfect.
Grow a garden.
Getting a bit cocky there, but if I could make this simpler, I do like the butterfly and garden analogy though. I do like that, but if I could keep it simple, I would say the MFA is a simple plan that helps founders be seen by their people so that they can earn money without stress.
Anyways, next question. If I joined your MFA, what would happen to me step by step? Go.
Then we can start making content. So that's what I would do with you.
Okay, because it was so long, I couldn't like.
Oh no, I kept it too long.
Yeah.
Oh no,
couldn't.
that's
like,
upside down.
Yeah. People couldn't like people like
you're
my
right.
age
Actually,
couldn't memorize
you're right.
that
I need to work on that.
Yeah. Okay, like 8 seconds left.
Yeah, that was way too long. So he probably couldn't repeat that back to me. So this is why it's so important to be clear with what you're saying. And this is a massive lesson for me as well. So if I could say something that would be easier for him to understand, I would say when he joins the Magnetic Founder Accelerator, what would happen is we would know you, know who, set your offer, fix your pages, then we can post.
Anyways, next question. Has anyone ever told you that you helped them? And if they did, what did they say?
Yes, so I have had numerous testimonials. You've seen one of my recent ones that I got last week from one of my wonderful clients. They've said that I brought clarity, structure. You understand structure when things are done step by step and processes.
A few moments later.
I deserve that. I deserve that. I deserve that. Oh no. Okay, I want to answer that again because I know what I did wrong. I wasn't speaking to you. I was speaking to the people out there who might be listening. So I want to say that again so that I'm actually keeping this as simple as possible. Yes, I have helped one client in particular add 12 premium calls in 60 days after we fixed their messaging.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that easier to understand?
Yeah, because you recited the sentence.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Have you actually made people money doing this?
Yes. 58. Yes. 2 seconds.
And that would have been 1 second, but yeah.
So yes, I mean, okay, okay.
That should
Yes.
be more than I get.
I'm scared now of getting reds, so I'm going to keep it as simple as possible.
Okay. How did you learn how to do this, Go?
This is an interesting question. I learnt how to do it by using what's called and by the way, did I get this? Yes, I'm keeping it easy, keeping it simple. Instead, I could have said I wanted to show up online in a way that felt true to me to attract premium calls without burning out. It worked, so I'm sharing it.
So, next question. What is the most important rule in your business?
The most important rule in my business are 3 words: is peace, purpose, and profit. You already know that though, don't you? And now, because obviously, so peace is getting into peace with yourself and understanding your, cutting out the noise. Purpose is actually finding out what your life has been telling you all along that you're good at, uncovering your gifts, and then that's how you can make profit in peace.
Okay. So 20 seconds left.
28 seconds left, and he understood. How many questions left?
1.
Okay, 1. Okay.
Okay, final question.
Right, okay, let's see.
What is one rule that you never want anybody to forget about? Go.
Only one rule that I would not want anybody to forget
Like
about.
the
most important rule is, and I've been saying this to you a lot recently, haven't I? So you probably know that I'm going to say it about unconditionally loving yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, because if you don't love yourself for you and what you are and what you stand for, then nobody else will. So, and you have to forgive yourself as well and love yourself. So I just think love is the only truth in this world, and we need to, just always remember that. That's
Even though that was quite long, I could still understand it.
Good. I think I've lectured you enough, haven't I? So I need to do this with your 8-year-old brother, I think. So
Oh yeah,
maybe
you can make a part 2. What if you do to Alicia?
she's 4. She's just turned 4. That would be no. That I think would be a bit more
then that'll
challenging.
take longer.
No, I think I could do that actually.
Like in 2 minutes instead.
I think I could do that. Yeah.
In 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Like
I'd have to take a day to explain the answer to each question though, to really help her to understand. It's possible. I believe that it's possible. But anyway, thank you very much, Azan. Did I do a good job?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you want to join the Magnetic Founder Accelerator?
Yeah.
Yay! No, that's good, Azan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Do you have any last words before you go?
Bye, and you guys need to love yourself.
Good final message. Thank you, Zan. Bye.